Dumating na kami guys. Good morning everyone. Nasa Grenada na kami. Early morning. Ganito yung weather. Hindi pa kami nagre-ready pa yung barko para mag-parking. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Parang clear na clear ang sky. Sobrang init pag sa araw. At yan yung kapitan dyan. I'm so happy. Meron nang boating dyan. Yati na silang early in the morning. Ang linis ng tubig guys. Pero sa totoo lang, hanggang ngayon, ilang araw na yung biyahe namin. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng yung mga balyena. So schön. Mein Gott.
Ja, so excited.
Ik kom jou. That's very nice. Super kaangat. That so nice. So ito yung panorama view. Very strong wind.
Hadas. Also mein Brief bevor lekker Karibik. Kaya
Grabe pa. Nice. Grenada guys. Caribbean. Ganda. Yan ang view. Ang daming nila history kung ano talaga ang nangyari sa kanila noon. So ginawa nilang painting yan para malaman ng mga tao at ano talaga ang nangyayari. So may tour guide ka naman, ini-explain talaga nila kung ano ang nangyari. Ito yung sinulat nila kung ano talaga kayong mapa. Ang ganda lang tingnan. Kung talagang may oras, ano mo talaga kung anong nangyari noon sa kanila. Ito yung kulay ng flag nila. Kasi sa February next month, meron silang fiesta dito. Super nice. Hindi ka magsisisi sa tour na binayaran mo. Worth it. Meron din silang kumintang dito. Kumintang yan sa akin eh. We are now in Welcome to Laura Spice Herbs Garden. Now we are making a test. Very nice bumbil. Parang Chico siya. Pero di ko sure. Hindi ako sure kung Chico ba yan. Spice and Herbs Garden ang pangalan niya. Ang dami nilang kakao. So, ito yung garden nila.
I'm in Laura.
Oh. Kommt zu Druck.
Yeah.
Was ich glaube,
Brown ones,
Yeah.
those are called sapodilla. You're gonna crack open the pot. Inside, you're gonna see the beans nicely packed and they're white. Let me crack.
Ang kakao nila, dinideliver nila sa Switzerland. Eh, ang Switzerland #1, gumagawa ng chocolate.
but maybe it's growing one there.
Yeah.
Do you have any plants now? Actually, in this state, it's
No.
not season now.
No, we don't have no plants. We doesn't do plants here.
Not here.
This is what we'll use to make the chocolate. So once it's fermented, dried, and roasted, the outside.
Umulan, guys! Romantic! Ito yung vanil, guys. Ganito pala ang halaman ng vanil. Di ko na, first time ko nakakita ng ganito. Akala ko hoya yan. Ganda. At least meron tayong natutunan.
Of 4 days. When that skin goes soft, we're going to remove the skin. Wash the slime from the beans. Dry the beans. Roast them. Grind them up.
So, jetzt ist doch noch Kakao. Ich hätte gesagt, das ist Kakao, wo man einfach.
Meron silang coffee. Grabe ang ganda ng garden. Hindi mo ma-imagine. Ganito ang makikita mo. May mango rin sila dito, guys. Eee. Kasi ito yung kanela ata sa atin, guys. Cinnamon ang tawag dito. Gusto talaga tikman ang mangga na yan. Wow, super nice.
The cinnamon is a layer below the skin of that raw sugar. After scraping the skin, you're going to take the knife.
Meron din yan sa atin.
Then you put it to dry, it curls up in the diabetes. Cinnamon also helps with weight. Things like moth. You can put it in rice and in flour. It will stop it from making those little bugs.
Okay. This is using for cooking.
Yeah, for cooking, yes. Yes, often in French cooking.
Okay, thank you.
That's all right. You can Google it. Yeah.
Family as guava has the same aroma. as clove and
Makupa man yan sa amin.
but it's pimento. It's
Mayroon din pala dito makupa, guys.
you get two crop
Ito yung
one
kahoy.
in August and the other late October, early November. We use those plants a lot.
Ito yung sanabi nila ng bay leaf. Eh, laurel pala sa atin. Ito yung tawag nilang breadfruit. Meron silang cooking banana. Parang yung gardaba sa atin. Bird of paradise.
You can make hibiscus tea, ginger lily, not for the roots, but for the flower. The other red one is called dragon blood or boundary plant. So these are all decorative plants just for looking pretty. But if you look beyond the birds of paradise, this is some big fruit hanging in that tree there.
Ah, jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Jackfruit is the biggest fruit in the world. If you knock it, you're going to hear hollow sounds, yellow pulp to the nuts, that's what you're going to use. The vegans going to use those pulp for protein. They saute them and eat them as meat, in the burgers, in the barbecue. You eat it as a fruit.
Dami nilang calathea, anthurium. Ito yung jackfruit. Ang dami nilang mga vanilla dito. Akala ko,
Avocado tree.
nakakita na ako dyan sa Pilipinas. Akala ko yan, hoya lang yan.
Big one is mango. You get the fruit from July up to October, like the berry season, insect
Avocado tree.
cleanser, tonic, shampoo, conditioner. Use it both internally, externally. You can bathe with it.
Mango tree.
Drink it with coconut water, it will help you. Annatto makes root
Really,
seeds. It
that's
comes in separate red
basil,
one and
guys.
orange seed.
It's like a sangig.
All the cheddar cheese to give it a
Basilicon.
nice orange color. That's the annatto. Spring. You're going to grate it. You're going to put it in a piece of cloth with some salt and you're going to tie it up. We use ginger root as a tea for gas and chills. You make an ale with a ginger ale. Use it in breads and biscuits. Drink it for seasickness, morning sickness. It will settle your stomach. Any form of
Yeah. Atuetes, guys. Meron din sila ditong atuetes.
calm you down like chamomile tea.
Santa Maria daw yan. Eh, tambal de ay na siya. Gamot pala yan, guys. Baho-baho yan sa amin.
Love leaf, leaf of life, wonder of the world. Venven of Orphan. Venven was one of the most widely used herbs during COVID spike. It helps with the breathing. But Venven can be used for cooling in breast. So this one will have a smell. In breastfeeding mom. You make a tea with it, it will enhance the flow of the breast milk. So if you're not producing enough breast milk, you could just drink this one, or you could just drink a Guinness, it works faster. That's what I'm doing. Black pepper is used as a seasoning. You can use it to flavor soup. You get all the peppers from one vine, you pick them at different stages. If you want them green peppers, you can use them now. If you want them black, as they start getting a little yellow, you will pick them and dry them in the sun. If you want them red, you leave them to be completely ripened on the tree. One pepper, different stages you're picking them at. So everybody that tree fell over in Hurricane Beryl is called soursop. When soursop is ripe, it will be bigger, a lighter shade of green and soft. So soursop can be eaten as a fruit. For juice and ice cream, soursop helps with prostate. Soursop leaves can also be used as a tea if you have a problem sleeping. Everybody that goes to soursop.
And it will settle your stomach. Fishes, pickles,
Cannoli
etc.
leaves
And
is
you can
good for
also
pain,
drink it
muscular and
water,
joint pain.
The
You
blood
can tie the
thinner,
leaf
cold,
on like a
cancer.
poultice.
The
The fruits can be used like an antiseptic. First, it must be ripe and rotten. And when it's ripe, it smells like moldy cheese or ginseng. You can also digest a teaspoon daily. It helps in weight loss. To get that juice, you must put it in a glass jar, and you're going to put it outside where it will get that sunlight, it will drain up, and you're going to ferment. And that's the liquid you're going to use. It tastes and smells so horribly. You're going to use some orange juice to mask the odor. And you can just close your eyes and just knock it. They are small and rather hot. You're going to use them to make pepper sauce. Pepper leaves can be used, for instance, if you have an abscess or a boil. Dandelion wine. Also use dandelion for high blood pressure as well. Stay where you are. Let me grab some.
That's terrible.
Tawa-tawa guys.
Yeah. Love tamarind. Well done.
Sampalok guys.
Pretty, what a pretty tree.
You can also use the flower. And after that is give a fruit. You can also make a...
So many uses.
Yeah.
Wow.
A lot.
A lot.
May malunggay sila dito guys. At saka yung kamyas. Ang daming benefits pala yan. Was ist Hindi na yan siya gumagana guys. Sira na siya. Pang tourist na lang siya. Ini-explain na lang nila kung paano sila noon, paano ginawa. 100 years old na siya. Ang tagal-tagal na. Pero nagamit nila kasi ginawa nilang tourist spot. Ganito sa guys.
Fun fact of this mill engine is that it is still operational. Up to today, it is still operational, it still works. And up to a few weeks ago, we had it up and running. Right? It is no longer used for production, but it is still operational. Here we have some of the original tools that was used to service and maintain the mill engine. Those are the original tools that was used. They are very heavy. Feel free to check it out.
Ito yung mga screwdriver nila noon. Grabe kabigat guys. Itong isa, kailangan 2 tao ang magbuhat. Kasi noong panahon, dito nila ginawa yung sugar cane. Kasi dito sa kanila guys, ang main talaga ng sugar cane nila, ginagawa nilang rum. Ganito ang machine. Grabe pala noon ang machine. Aakyat kami dyan. Grabe ang taas. Natatakot ako. Parang nahuhulog yung sahig. Distillery. Yan noon guys. Kasi dito sa kanila famous talaga ang rum.
Yeah, that's the number one. Best rum on the island, in the world.
Ito yung makita mo dito sa taas. Ganito yung machine nila talaga.
3 times. One liter. Here to the juice heaters, where the heat will basically eliminate all of the bacteria. So now that clean juice will go here to the subsider tank.
Dito, kung malinis na yung juice niya, dito na siya sa loob. Galing dito. Ang laki-laki ng mga screwdriver nila. Napaka-interesting ka. Yun, that is distillery, oder? Your room. Drink room punch. Yeah. Grabe ang proseso, guys, bago magiging rum.
Sugar curing basket where we separate the molasses from the actual sugar. This is what the combined product. The molasses went off.
Dito, guys, ang asukal. Bas, yung sinasabi nilang lumalabas na liquid, yung malaking tangke dyan, ang mulasa. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano talaga ang mulasa. Dito, dadaan ang juice niya bago magiging rum talaga. Andito na kami sa Grenada sa BBC Beach. Tapos yung tour namin. Ito yung last destination. So maligo muna kami para tikman lang naman ang Caribbean Beach. Ang ganda, guys. Ang bilis ng asawa ko maglakad. Maghanap kami ng magandang lugar. Pag makita nyo yung yung buhangin. Grabe ang buhangin, no? Hindi mo ma-imagine.
It's hot up. They go. It's raining. We have to let